Good morning, student. How are you all? Welcome to the online platform learning center JMD. Okay, myself Sanjeev Kumar Sinha, faculty of geography. So, in this topic, in this lesson, in this series, we will study some basic concept about geography. Okay, so please pay attention. Now, as we already know, the study of about the earth is known as geography. Geo means earth and graphy means it is a form of study in which we logi or graphy, it is a word which is related to study. So geography is a word related to study of about earth, study of about earth. Okay, now fantastic, very good. So basic things about geography. Before we start this chapter, we will learn some basic things about how where is our earth locate position in our galaxy. So we will start first from that we all live in a Milky Way galaxy. We all are the creatures of Milky Way galaxy. Okay, and Earth is the third number of planet of our solar system. There are lots of galaxies in our universe, and Milky Way is the galaxy where solar system, where many other solar systems are there. In that particular solar system, there is our solar system where we live. Okay, and Earth is the third planet of our solar system. There are many solar systems in a single galaxy, and there are millions and millions of galaxies all over universe. Okay, रोज गैलेक्सी बनती भी है और रोज गैलेक्सी खत्म भी होती हैं, just like human beings, जिसका जन्म है उसका मृत्यु निश्चित है, like that. Okay, so before we start this chapter, first we will understand what is direction. So as we know that if we draw the figure of India, map of India. So at the upper part we will write north, and the bottom part we will write south, and right hand side we will write east, and left hand side we will write west. Okay, so north, south, east and west. Fantastic. Now again, Earth is the third planet of our solar system where only life exists, and on our Earth, our country India is on the northern hemisphere. Which hemisphere? Northern hemisphere. So if we consider this one is our Earth, and if we will cut the Earth into two halves, making it two hemispheres, just like this. This is, consider this one is as a Earth. So the middle line which is circulating all over this fruit is considered as a equator. Understand all of you? So equator is a line which is a 0 degree line. Okay, and it makes a two hemisphere. Like this. Understand all of you? It makes a two hemisphere. So basically I want to explain you that equator is a 0 degree line which splits the earth into a two equal halves. Okay, now so we will write here north, south, east and west. Okay, now again, in northern hemisphere our country lies. In which hemisphere? Northern hemisphere. But before we take the help of the globe and we must consider the position of our India, we first follow some important lines. So there are some important lines. This one is 0 degree, which is called equator. This is the 0 degree line which is called equator, and the upper and the lower. So this line, upper part of equator, is known as Tropic of Cancer, which is a 23.5 degree north line. Understand? These are the imaginary lines. Okay. Now again, at the upper part of the Tropic of Cancer there is a Arctic Circle. which is a 66.5 degree north line. Okay, same things just as upper part, it will be at the bottom part also. So at the lower part of the equator, the line is Tropic of Capricorn, which is again 23.5 degree south, and just lower part of the earth is Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5, and at the pole we know that there is 90 degree, understand all of it. So in northern hemisphere there is Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, and in southern hemisphere there is Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Understand all of you? Now one thing more. If we make a plus sign like this, then each angle, in mathematics we all had learned, each angle makes an 90 degree. And a semicircle makes 180 degree. At the upper part and lower part also. And a complete sphere, in mathematics we already know that a complete sphere make a 360 degree. How much? If we add all the 90, 90, 90, 90 or semicircle 180 and 180, then it will be 360 degrees. Understand all of it? So we can say that a circle makes a 360 degree. A circle makes a 300. A complete sphere, a circle make a 360 degree. So, and now some facts about direction. So some important things, basic things that we must able to understand here is upper part is known as north, lower part is known as south, right hand part is known as east, and left hand part is known as west. Understand all of you? Now, there are some sub directions also. If we cut this line like this, okay, so if we cut line like this, then somewhere you will learn that from upper it will make northeast, it will make northwest. Understand all of you? And from bottom it will make southeast, southwest. Understand all of you? Means to say that if this is if I will put my hand like this, then north and east will make northeast, okay, from upper to lower. And if we start from lower to upper, then it will form southeast. It will be started from southeast. And if we will start from upper part, then it will be northeast. And if we will start from bottom part, it will be southeast. Same thing will happen here, southwest. But if we start from north, then it will be northwest. Understand all of you? Very good. Now, this was the basic thing. Now, some of the most important things that we will learn here, again, that our country lies on the between the between the temperate zone. Which zone? Temperate zone. So where these are zones located. So here we just like the 0 degree line, which is called equator, just above is torrid zone, then temperate zone, then after that frigid zone. Torrid, temperate, frigid. So I am writing that here, torrid, temperate, and frigid. These are the zones. Same thing will happen at the lower side also, bottom side also. Here will be also frigid zone. That is why it is called frigid zone, because the temperature